How to change your Spotify app language. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Spotify app language. So first thing, just head over to your Spotify application and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're inside here, just click on this profile icon at the top left corner. Make sure you have already logged in and you will be seeing all of these options. So just tap on this settings and privacy. So once you're inside here, just look up for the language option. If you can't find them, just click on the search bar and just search in for language. And you should see the option called app language. So just tap on this. So just click on continue. And from over here, you can easily select any one of the language which you prefer onto your Spotify application. And you can simply change it. Once you select the application or language for the application, you can easily restart the Spotify application once again, and just like that you will have successfully changed your language on Spotify. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.